In this section, we're going to talk about managing teachers and admin staff. With Classe365, it's easy to set up teachers and admin staff and assign subjects and permissions. There's no spreadsheets, no fuss, just quick and smooth setup. So let's get into it, and I can show you how you can manage the entire educators and your administrators. Managing teachers and admin staff is part of the student information system module when you look at our learner journey section here. To go into the section, you're going to manage a student information system, and the first thing we're going to look at is managing teachers and admin staff. It is very similar to managing students. You can see the list of all the teachers here. This is your control center for managing your teachers. You can select all, and you have a lot of options in terms of sending emails, SMS, and all these, and bulk subject allocation here as well. If you go into the student teacher profile, so you get a 360-degree view of the teacher, all the teacher profile data. You can set up custom profile data as well. You have the list of all the subjects the teacher is teaching, their class schedule shows up here, and also any tasks that's been assigned to them as well. Right? So that's the teacher profile up here. For the administrative staff, you can see all the admin staff assigned here. You'll be able to see whether the administrators are a super admin or a normal admin. So super admins will not have any other things to manage. They will pretty much say that they are a super admin up here, and then we have the sub admin. For sub administrators, you have the option to manage the permissions here as well. For example, I can see that they have certain modules that they have read and write permission, so I can change this. Maybe they don't want, for this administrator, I can disable parent and teacher access, or I can give only read and write access, not delete access for course and subject modifications. Things like that you can manage for the administrators. Adding teachers and admin staff is pretty straightforward. Before that, before adding, what you can do is you can look at the teacher fields. Here you can manage what type of information you want to add for the teacher. So you can literally drag and drop and build your own teacher profile fields or the data you want to capture about the teachers. And then once that is done, there are various ways you can add teachers. You can add teachers manually up here by selecting that, or you can go into organization settings, and you have an option where if I go into import export data, you can import or bulk import the data here. So I can easily do that. If I have a file, I can import that file, click on this section. I have an option here where I can select the file. I upload that file, and here is all the fields that are in the file. I have an option to auto select all the matching fields. So if it is matching the fields which is in the system with the file, it automatically picks up, and you can bulk import it as well. So that's how you can manage it. Same goes with the administrators as well. Now that's how you can add teachers and admin staff. One thing I will show is quickly how you can allocate subjects to teachers. So here is where you can go into specific course, cohort. You get the list of all the subjects which is taught in here in this group, and you can easily select, for example, here for science, you can select which teacher are you can have multiple teachers allocation, and also secondary teachers. If you want to add, you can add that as well, and then you can easily update that. So that's essentially how you can manage the teachers and admin staff up here.